Hello, this is Luis Bermudez from the Open Geospatial Consortium, and I'm going to talk today about how to use the OGC validator to validate clients towards the WMS Web Map Service 1.3 test. First, you go to the web page of the validator. This is site.opengeospatial.org team engine. And you can sign in with your credentials. And you create a new session. You select the test that you want to exercise. In this case is WMS 1.3 client. You can add a description and then you start the session. A console window will appear. This will report what is going on. You can minimize the window. What's important is that you will be provided an endpoint or proxy endpoint. So this is the URL that you should use when you are testing your client. So go ahead and copy that URL. I'm going to open UDIC. I'm going to I can do several things here. I can create a new project, for example, and I can say WMS test client, and then under that project what I can do is I can add a layer. So here you say add and you say WMS server and you paste the URL that you were given when you started the test in the OGC validator web page, and then you go next. So depending on the client, you will see the list of layers in a different way, and you should select all the layers in order to pass the test. If you go to the web page where the validator is, you will see what's going on. For example, here it says that you already have performed one request, a get capabilities request, and that the get capabilities request was properly done or performed by the client, in this case UDIC. So I'm going to go ahead and select all the layers. Click on finish. And you will see all the requests that were performed by the client. Sometimes, as you see, were performed 2 times. That is okay. The test only checks that every request that you have done is properly done and that at least one get capabilities request got exercised, that you did the get map request for all the layers, and finally that the get future info request was performed. So we're going to go ahead and do that last one. And you see here in this case that the get future info was properly performed by the client. I stop testing. And I can see the summary of the results. Thank you for listening.